Oh, but it's not obscene or anything, Jeff.
Yeah. Hang on, Jeff. Is the red button just get bigger once you hit it, or is it supposed to go away?
No, it's recording.
Okay, all right.
It's recording.
You're empty.
You're out. I've got some good yeah.
Look, I hit it.
I hope so.
See that?
Well, how could you miss at that range?
Oh, I don't know. I never
Yeah,
shot
hit with the
one.
handgun.
Did I hit it or no?
Yeah, you hit it.
Yeah, you hit it.
It's like a bunch of obstacles over this.
Look, mixed here.
Three in the same hole, huh?
Yeah, come on, legit.
Yeah, that doesn't have a real crazy kick.
Because it's heavy.
We saw one over at Newell's Gun Shop.
That's a national match.
Okay.
Was it about $2,300?
Yeah.
Stainless barrel?
Yeah, bro. I think it was even heavier than that one.
My wife got that for Christmas back in 07. Total surprise.
Oh, I bet you were stoked on
I mean, I was like, I couldn't believe it.
It's like a kid with a new fire truck, man.
Yes. Worse.
She's like, David, you're a grown man. Settle down. Okay. This is where's there you go. Nice.
Then how do I pop this out?
Right here, there's a little tab. You got to actually push forward, I think. No, on this right here. Go with your finger. I think it's forward. Hang on, dude. Oh, apparently, I'm sorry. You pushed from the back on it. But see, like whenever I go to Elm Fork, they want the mag out and the action lock back. I don't think this action will lock back without the mag in it. Yeah. So I don't know if they'd let me do an empty casing little trick like we do out here.
Well, you can't have both on that gun.
Yeah.
Here's what we do sometimes on the line. Obviously, the gun can't shoot like that.
Yeah.
Hitting dead center, though.
I've heard they shoot really good.
Don't shoot that bad.
I think you just gotta relax a little bit.
You're going orange
Yeah,
dot.
I'm shooting at
Yep.
that center top target, and look at that. It's like right in there. Thing's accurate.
That stock's adjustable. All right. Going hot, bro.
I like that. Super accurate. A lot more accurate than I thought it would be.
It's crazy, isn't it?
And sights are dead on.
Way up high and to the left. Oh man. Up and to the left, you're only about an inch out.
Hey, you wanna shoot this now?
Close?
Dude, I
Hey, you wanna shoot that?
can't tell on that one. No, you're down to the left.
9mm?
To the left, but you're closer, only an inch out. You hit it.
Did I?
You hit it, dude.
The orange?
You hit it.
I told you.
You hit it, dude.
Just like
Oh, way to the left.
Actually, I got that from GT. Said they could get
I'm ready.
maybe 80 a year.
All right, well, I'm ready.
Texas Combat Shooters. FFL.
No, they're not ready.
Was that 20?
You
No.
just jammed?
I had already. No, I didn't. That's all I got.
Oh, okay.
All right, go ahead.